Bad news from Autodesk. From January 2016, Autodesk has stopped selling perpetual license. Perpetual license means lifetime license of using a Autodesk software. Now, from July 2020, Autodesk has introduced a new policy regarding student license. This is very bad news for working professionals who wants to learn Autodesk software. Before this policy, we can easily get a free license of Autodesk product by our Gmail accounts. But after this policy, we need to verify our education details like our education institute, our ID cards, or our enrollment details. But if you are a real time student, you can easily verify your college ID card or your institution or your enrollment details. In this particular video, I will show how to verify your education details like ID card or enrollment detail. Please stay with me till the end. Here I am using my smartphone to create an account and to verify my education details. You can use your laptop or PC, there won't be any difference in the steps. And I'll request you, please follow all the steps carefully and fill the correct details. Open your Google browser, go to Autodesk account and click on create account and fill the first name, last name and your email ID and give a password for your Autodesk account. And click on I agree, then click on create account. Now account is created. Then click on done. It will redirect us to Autodesk account. Here click on key symbol. Now click on verify. Now Autodesk has sent a mail to given email account. Open the email and open the mail and click on verify email. Now our account is verified. Click on done. It will redirect us to Autodesk account. Open Google browser again. Go to AutoCAD education website. Click on get started. And it will ask us to sign in. It will ask us to set up our education profile. Select education role, institution type, and your date of birth. And select the name of your education institution, area of study, enrollment details, and click on next. Now our account is set properly. Click on continue. Now it is asking we still need to confirm your eligibility for educational access to Autodesk products. Here click on get started. Now it will ask check that your information below is correct, then click confirm. Please note that details in this form should match with the details in the document which you are uploading for verification. Then click on confirm. Now it is asking educational documentation needed. Please upload a copy of documentation issued to you by your educational institution. Example, tuition receipt or student ID or employment ID. As a proof that you attended, teach or are employed at a qualified educational institution. You have 14 days to upload your documentation. And these are the documentational criteria which require to verify your documents. And read this very carefully and click here to upload your document. And this is the college ID card I am uploading here. Then click on submit. Now it is telling thank you. The process to verify your eligibility to access Autodesk Educational License has now started. The verification process can take up to 48 hours to complete. Please check your email for a next step. Also be sure to check your junk or spam folder. Then click on close. If you have uploaded a correct documents with the correct details, it will send an approval mail. If you have did some mistakes in that, it will ask us to upload the additional documents again. I have received this mail saying that, "Hi Hari, thanks for submitting your documentation. Unfortunately, we have been unable to confirm your eligibility for educational access to Autodesk product. During the review process, it was determined the first name on the document does not match the first name you entered on your verification form. In my case, what happened? What is the form I have filled and what is the document I have uploaded? Both having a different first name. That's why it is asking to upload another document. So I have did that mistake. So they are asking again to upload a additional document to verify my request. So don't do any mistakes while filling the form and uploading your document. I hope this video is very informative for you to creating educational account in Autodesk. And thank you for watching till the end. Still you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get the best information about AutoCAD. Thank you for watching. Take care.